Hello folks, this is Rich Prout from Stonehearth Capital Management with the December 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight in what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. November was another volatile month for markets. Investors weighed terrorism and concerns about global growth against some positive domestic data. Let's take a look at some of the month's events. Terrorist attacks in Paris, Beirut, and Mali rocked the world and brought home the threat posed by instability in the Mideast. Despite the ongoing security concerns, investors largely shrugged off the events, showing that they're able to keep calm and carry on in the face of uncertainty. It's unknown how these attacks will affect global economies, but some experts worry that travel restrictions and reduced retail spending will harm already fragile economies in Europe and abroad. Domestically, economic data is looking pretty decent. The October jobs report surprised by coming in well above expectations. The data shows that the labor market continues to add jobs. Even better, wages grew substantially, 2.5% from a year ago, the highest year-over-year increase since 2009. We also got a good look at the second estimate of third quarter economic growth. The latest data shows that the economy grew 2.1% in the third quarter, which is a much better number than the 1.5% reported in October. The revisions show that businesses spent more aggressively than originally thought and indicate that the economy continues to grow briskly. These positive economic indicators are putting pressure on the Federal Reserve, and speculation is growing. Will the Federal Reserve raise interest rates in December? We won't know for certain until they pull the trigger. But what we know so far suggests that the Fed is seriously considering a rate hike this year. We also know that the Fed economists are closely monitoring economic data and won't make a move until they feel confident that the economy can handle it. As we get closer to the end of the year, we can expect investors to turn their attention to holiday retail numbers and expectations for 2016. What we know so far suggests that the U.S. economy will continue to accelerate while many other countries will continue to struggle from weak growth. We'll talk more about fourth quarter results and the coming year in next month's video update. Once again, this is Rich Prout from Stonehearth Capital Management signing off for the month of December 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you, and thank you.